Hello everyone. Today in this video we'll learn second standard Kannada part 3 lesson number 3 ಪ ಯ ವ ಟ ಚ ಚಿತ್ರ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಪದ ಹೇಳಿಸಿ. In this lesson we'll learn words from these letters. Okay, so first one is pa. Pata. By seeing this picture you have to read the words. Pata means kite. Ya, nayana, eye. Nayana means eye. Vana means forest. Chamacha, spoon. Chamacha, spoon. Next page. ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. Means you have to pronounce these letters properly. Okay. P, Y, V, T, Ch. Next one. ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ. These letters you have to see. First you have to trace these letters, then copy the same in given space below. Okay. First one is P, Y, V, T, Ch. So this P we have to trace it on this like this. Okay. Same way you have to trace all these letters properly. Then you will come to know that how to write these letters. After that you have to copy the letters below. Like this you have to write these letters. Next one is ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಓದಿಸಿ. Means you have to read these words. First one is, so along with me children, even you read. Okay. First one is Jaya, Jaya, Japa, Japa, Natha, Natha, Uma, Uma, Maya, Maya, Pada, Pada, Naya, Naya, Gaya, Gaya, Pata, Pata, Pachana, Pachana, Udaya, Udaya, Nayana, Nayana, Vachana, Vachana, Chamacha, Chamacha, Tapa Tapa, Tapa Tapa, Chata Chata, Chata Chata, Vata Vata, Vata Vata, Gata Gata, Gata Gata, Mata Mata, Mata Mata, Pata Pata, Pata Pata. Okay. So next, ಚುಕ್ಕಿ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಪದ ರಚಿಸಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. Means you have to trace these dots and make proper word. Then you have to copy the same word below in given space. Okay. First one is vachana. Like this we have to trace. Vachana, vachana, pavana, japa, nayana. Vachana, pavana, japa, nayana. Three times you have to write these words. Next one is ಚಿತ್ರ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಪದ ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ. By seeing this picture you have to write its name in below given space. So first one is kite. It is called pata. So write here pata. Vana, chamacha, nayana. Okay. Next one is ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಆರಿಸಿ ಹೇಳಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ. So here fill in the blanks. Like fill in the blanks they have given that missing letter is in this box it is present. So you have to choose the correct letter from this bracket and you have to write here. So it will become one correct word. So vachana we have to choose cha. Vachana. Second one is nayana. Choose ya. Okay. Nayana. ಉದಯ U. Payana Y. A is missing, so we have to write Y. Pachana Ch. Okay. So we'll move to next page. ಪದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬಾರಿ ಬಂದಿರುವ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ few words are given. In this word, in each word, same letter 2 times came. So which is that letter we have to choose and write here. So for example, in this word namana, so na, here also na is present, here also na is present. So 2 times na is present. So that na you have to write here 2 times. Okay. So they have written it already. So remaining words we have to see and write that letter here. Okay. Gagana, 2 times gagana, ga came. So that ga and ga you have to write here. Next nayana, again na 2 times is there, write that. Sarasa, sa, you have to write sa 2 times. Chamacha, cha 2 times. Sara sara. So here sa also 2 times came, ra also 2 times came. So anyone you can write here. Okay. Next one is ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ ಪದ ರಚಿಸಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. So here some letters are given. Using that letters you have to make different words. Okay. Using these any letters you can make different words. So I have written here. If you want, copy these words. Otherwise you can write different words also. Sa and ra, sara. Ma ga, maga. Ja ga, jaga. Ga ja, gaja. Like this you have to write the words. Pachana, nayana, arasa, vachana, samaya, udaya, ara, chamacha, naya, gaya, pada, mara. Like this any words you can make it and write. Okay. Next now this ಕಲಿತ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಓದಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ. Means whatever you have learned the words and letters that you have to read and write it here. Okay. Ra, ga, sa, da, a. Ja, u, ma, ba, na. Pa, ya, va, ta, cha. Okay. Now these words we have to read and copy it down here. Okay. Jaya, naya, vachana, uraga, garagasa, pata, nata, chamacha, samaya, madagaja, pada, jana, nayana, chatapata, janamana, mara, ara, udaya, sarasara, arasa. So same these words you have to write it here. Okay. Same. Next page. ನನ್ನ ಸಾಧನೆ 1 means ನನ್ನ ಸಾಧನೆ means my achievement. ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಓದಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ. Read the letters and write it down. J, R, A, G, N, D, P, S, T, U, Y, Ch, M. These letters you have to write it down. ಖಾಲಿ ಜಾಗ ತುಂಬಿ ಪದ ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. Missing letters are there. Okay. In this word letters are missing. That correct letter you have to write. Arasa, dasara, chamacha, gagana, udaya, ಆನೆ, ಆಟ, ಮದಗಜ, ಉರಗ, ನಗರ, ನಯನ, ಗದಗದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಓದಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ. ರೀಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್. ಅರಸರ, ಅರಸರ, ದಸರದ, ಮದಗಜ, ಉದಯದ, ಸಮಯ, ರಸಮಯ. ಉದಯದ, ಸಮಯ, ರಸಮಯ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬಳಸಿ ಪದ ಬರೆಯಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ರ ಅಕ್ಷರ is given. Using this we have to write the words. For example, they have given Raja, Sara. So remaining words we have to write. So I have written here Rava, Ravi, Mara, Nara, Dara, Vara. Okay, like this you have to write the words using this R letter. Next one, ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬಳಸಿ ಪದ ಬರೆಯಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. Here some letters are given. Using these letters only you have to write the words. So using these letters you have to write here words. Here write the words. So I have written some words here. Okay, even you can write different words also, or these words also you can copy down. Arasa, Dara, Sara, Rasa, Dasara, Garagasa, Sadara. Here I have written using these words Bana, Mana, Jana, Bajana. Using these letters Pata Pata, Chata Chata, Vata Vata. Okay, if you want to create more words you can create and write it here. Okay, if you have understood this lesson, please click on the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.